Le indlwane engena umoya. Insile ezingendlwaneni kufuze zidoswe litraga la kwamasipalata ngasikhathi uqinisekisa bona akufiki lapha indlwana lezala khona iqinise ingasasebenziseki. Kodwa nabahlali bebuchabelo bathi akwenzeki ke lokho. Kunalokho ayebembe imigodi emitsha banande bachisela ki indlwana ijarda lonke.
When they come here last time, we need help for toilet, and then they said no, you don't have to help you guys. There's a lot toilet we have to help.
Umasipalata omkhulu eMangaung uthi uhlosa ukuqeda indlwane eziyi-37,000 ezibetha umoya kunye nezamabhakede ngomnyaka ka-2023.
What we also do is to make sure that we go to households, try to drain them, but we also have a problem of rains. During heavy rains, our people suffer a lot because there's a whole lot of water that goes in. We've worked on the program as the city, but we understand the inconvenience.
Umnyango wezamanzi eFreystata uthi unendlwane eziyi-10,200 ezibetha umoya nezamabhakede kufuze ziphele ngomnyaka wemali ka-2022-2023.